Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we are going, what is that guy doing? Today we're going to be doing a challenge. We're going to see how many fire alarms we can pull today. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright. First fire alarm of the day. Second one of the day. Second one of the day.
Standard traffic pump. That's how it is. Let me go back.
Oh, I'm on top of the gas station. That's a first. Alright, you already know what I'm doing. Money. Fourth one of the day. Go.
Is she something?
Fifth fire alarm of the day.
I could say it.
Yo! This guy's trying to tow my car for no reason.
They say there's no toes. There's no dots. I'm playing a football game right now.
There is a dot. He's trying to tow my car.
There can't be no dot. Why is there dot?
There's this DOT is trying to tow my car.
GOT?
Yeah, the Department of Transportation.
They're stupid.
No! What is he doing? He got his car stuck. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. You don't have to. I successfully did my mission of pulling every fire alarm in ERLC, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.